皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. We absolutely love chatting about our favorite things and sharing our passions. Expressing what you like in Japanese is not only opens the door to making new Japanese friends, but also as an extra fun to your conversation. In today's video, I'm super excited to show you how to share what you love and are passionate about in Japanese. Once you pick up these tips, you will be ready to dive into some lively and enjoyable Japanese conversation. Are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, we need to learn some essential words. If you watched my previous video, I think you've already learned suki, which means like. You can incorporate suki into these phrases. For something you like, use が好きが好き More polite way が好きですが好きです Or something you like to do, use ことが好きことが好き More polite way ことが好きですことが好きです Just add things you like in the blank. For example, アニメが好きアニメが好き I like anime. 野球が好きです野球が好きです I like baseball. 料理することが好き料理することが好き I like to cook. 音楽を聴くことが好きです音楽を聴くことが好きです I like listening to music. You can also use the format 好きなはです meaning my favorite blah blah is blah blah. Just add categories in the first blank and specific things you like in the second blank. For example, 好きな映画はハリー・ポッターです好きな映画はハリー・ポッターです My favorite movie is Harry Potter. 好きな色は赤です好きな色は赤です My favorite color is red. If you want to express a stronger level of affection, you can use 大好き meaning love. The same as 好き you can use 大好き into phrases like が大好きが大好き More polite way が大好きですが大好きです Just add a thing you love in the blank. For example, お菓子作りが大好きお菓子作りが大好き I love baking. 日本の文化が大好きです日本の文化が大好きです I love Japanese culture. Now let's learn a new word, ハマる which is used when you are completely hooked on something. We often use these phrases, ハマってるハマってるハマっていますハマっています which mean to become addicted or hooked on something. It's commonly used to describe a strong interest or enthusiasm for anything from TV show, a hobby, a game, or any other form of entertainment or activity. For example, ゴルフにハマってる。ゴルフにハマってる。I've been really into golf. 写真にハマっています。写真にハマっています。I've been really into photography. When you talk about your absolute favorite, that's your お気に入り meaning favorite. You can use it in phrases like がお気に入りです。がお気に入りです。For example, 原宿がお気に入りです。原宿がお気に入りです。My favorite is 原宿。このブランドがお気に入りです。このブランドがお気に入りです。My favorite is this brand. Or if you want to be more specific, you can use お気に入りのはです。Add categories in the first blank and specific thing you like in the second blank. For example, お気に入りのアニメはドラゴンボールです。お気に入りのアニメはドラゴンボールです。My favorite anime is Dragon Ball. お気に入りの和食は寿司です。お気に入りの和食は寿司です。My favorite Japanese food is sushi. Hobbies are another way to express what you like. The word for hobby in Japanese is shumi, which I also introduced in another video. You can tell others about your hobbies using expressions like 趣味はです。趣味はです。or が趣味です。が趣味です。which means my hobby is blah blah. Just add your hobbies in the blank. For example, 趣味は車です。趣味は車です。My hobby is cars. 旅行が趣味です。旅行が趣味です。My hobby is traveling. You can also use ことが趣味です。ことが趣味です。which means my hobby is to do blah blah. Just add activities in the blank. For example, ゲームをすることが趣味です。ゲームをすることが趣味です。My hobby is to play games. 絵を描くことが趣味です。絵を描くことが趣味です。My hobby is drawing. Now let's talk about being a big fan of something. For example, if your favorite anime is One Piece and you have a favorite character in it, then the character is your oshi, which means your favorite. For example, 推しはルフィです。推しはルフィです。Luffy is my favorite character. ゾロ推しです。ゾロ推しです。I'm a Zoro fan. Let's move on to asking about someone's like and hobbies. If you want to find out what someone's like, you can use は好きは好き or more polite way は好きですかは好きですか Do you like blah blah blah? For example, アニメは好きアニメは好き Do you like anime? スポーツは好きですかスポーツは好きですか Do you like sports? When talking about things someone like or their hobbies and wanting to know their favorite, you can use お気に入りは お気に入りは more polite way お気に入りは何ですか？お気に入りは何ですか？ What is your favorite? Or more specific お気に入りのは何ですか？誰ですか？どこですか？ What? Who? Where is your favorite blah blah? 何 for things 誰 for people どこ for places For example お気に入りの曲は何ですか？お気に入りの曲は何ですか？ What is your favorite song? お気に入りの選手は誰ですか？お気に入りの選手は誰ですか？ Who is your favorite player? お気に入りの街はどこですか？お気に入りの街はどこですか？ Where is your favorite town? To ask about someone's hobbies, you can use 趣味は何？趣味は何？ More polite way 趣味は何ですか？趣味は何ですか？ What do you do in your free time? To ask if they have hobbies, you can say 趣味はある？趣味はある？ More polite way 趣味はありますか？趣味はありますか？ Do you have any hobbies? Asking about what someone's into recently. Use 最近ハマってることはある？最近ハマってることはある？ Have you gotten into anything recently? 最近何にハマってるの？最近何にハマってるの？ What have you been into recently? Example conversation ねえ、最近何にハマってるの？ああ、最近はアニメにハマってます。特にポケモンが大好きです。俺もお気に入りのポケモンは？もちろんピカチュウがお気に入りです。俺もピカチュウ推し。他に趣味はある？はい、音楽も好きでギターが趣味です。And there you have it. Use this expression in your daily conversation and let me know in the comments what you recently ハマっている what you're into. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in my future video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた。